Chop chop.
Bread o'clock? Yes. We're going to make the easiest bread ever, and all you need is 3 ingredients. It's going to be self-raising flour, gluten-free, salt, and sparkling water, and you don't need anything else. So let's start baking. The simplest bread in the world for gluten-free eaters, the best ever. So let's start baking. I'm going to grab my gluten-free self-rising white flour, and I'm going to put half of the package, 500 grams. Then I'm going to add salt, it's a fleur de sal, and maybe a little bit more. I'm going to add sparkling water, and you cover. More. You can do it by hand, but I'm going to use my kitchen aid. Now you start. Mind your beautiful ears. First in a low speed, and then you can increase a little bit. Water amount that you're going to use for this recipe, it depends of the season you are in, if it is hotter or more humid, if it is cold. So this is going to depend of where you're located in the planet. You're going to use the water as needed. So you're just going to add little by little. The amount is half a kilo approximately. So you don't have to have a right measure for this recipe. You have to add as it goes. At this point, you're going to add more water because this is not the texture. You just have to reach the right texture, and I'm going to show you which one it is. I'm going to add a little bit more. And mind your beautiful ears again. Oops. Little by little, otherwise we'll splash everywhere. And by the way, those of you that know me, I always say gluten-free flours, they don't like to dance too much. So don't worry, you don't have to overmix it. Just continue so everything is blended nicely. It was 10 seconds blending in a fast speed. Like I said, I don't like that dough dances too much. It doesn't need it. I'm just going to scrape the sides, and so everything is nicely used. And there's no waste. Just to last one. Now, let me show you how I want to put the texture. And this is it. Now we take it off. I don't like to waste this beautiful dough. And voila, they're ready. And they're beautiful. This is so satisfying. I absolutely love it. How soft it is on the bottom and crunchy on top. Oh, I am so happy you love it. Please have more. Of course, of course. It's so simple and so healthy. Absolutely. Oh, I am so happy you love it. Please have more. Thank you. Yes, they're so amazing, so simple and so delicious. The best gluten-free bread. Please do have more. Ta-ta. I guess some recipes are just to dream for. So I just wish you that you comment, to like, to subscribe, and don't forget to keep coming because we love to share with you amazing and delicious recipes. See you soon and bon appetit.